He's just sitting there in a crotch of the tree. See how both feet are hanging off each side? See his feet moving? I'd like to go around the other side of him and get a picture, but it's all poison shit. It ain't worth poison ivy. Plus there could be another one around here. I'm always constantly looking around to make sure I don't get snuck up on it, charged by his friend, or his mother, or his brother, or his father. Stay out of the trees and go home. Go home. Go home. Yes, go home. Go get some real food. Nice berries out there. Must be some strawberries somewhere. No? You already ate them all? That's cute. It's okay. I'm not gonna, no, it's okay. I'm not gonna hurt you, buddy. I just want to get a little closer to you. Yeah, of course, I'm not gonna hurt you. It's okay. No, don't snarl at me. I was just literally 5 feet away from him. See where the trash starts right there? I was past that. And that was after he threatened to charge me. He's threatening to charge me again. At least if I get killed by him, mauled by him, you'll have it on film. At least part of that. Hey, buddy. Hi. Oh, you're a good boy. Yeah. Oh, you're a good boy. And you guys missed it. I shut my video off because I wanted to get a picture of him, so I took a step closer. He stood right up and snarled at me, scared the shit out of me. I ran backwards. I thought he was charging me. It's okay, buddy. I gotta go, okay? Bye-bye. I gotta go finish my paper route. You got me, I was already running late. Now you got me running real late. I've been here in half an hour watching you, huh? Oh, look at that sandwich you got there. Can I have a bite? Oh, that's a grinder. Who's got a grinder there, buddy, huh? Boss, he's got a grinder. I just learned one thing, though. I know why I never see bears on the paper route. Because as soon as the car comes by, he runs and goes up the tree. That's what just happened. I was just leaving, the car came from over there, and he ran over and started heading up that tree. Bye-bye, buddy. Hey. Bye-bye. You say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Happy Fireworks Day.